Hi, my name is Heather Leonard. I am a member of the SVG Superstars, and I'm a 29-year-old stay-at-home mom from Indiana. When I found the program, I had actually known just a little bit about SVG creation, so I had dabbled in Inkscape and other softwares. However, my skills weren't where I would hope they could be or where I knew I should be. But then I found the program, and I have been able to learn things that I don't think I could have learned on my own and be comfortable in not only Inkscape but other design softwares and be comfortable with an online presence and learning not just what other people like but what I like creating. Definitely my favorite has been complex tracing in Affinity Designer. It has been so fun. I took a photo from my wedding and I complex traced it. My other favorite is reverse canvas and putting SVGs such as Word files and things like that onto them. I would recommend this program to stay-at-home moms, working moms, someone who is in a career and is tired, is burnt out, because you can start something new and start something fresh and do something you're really enjoying and make money at it. So I hope that you join the program and you have as much fun as I have.